What's happening, everyone? So I want to talk about the current state of the market and gold. And I'm going to show you guys a couple of trades I took. Well, it's actually one trade, but two positions essentially. So we've had a lot of market optimism over the EU tariffs easing, possible Russia-Ukraine peace talks, which I think are probably going to happen, and some positive sentiment even around the Iran nuclear deal, according to Trump. So overall, the market is optimistic. So when the market's optimistic, money starts coming out of safe havens. So what we want to do is we eventually want to count on the investors being greedy and putting all their money into the stock market. So if the investors are being greedy, we want to be shorting safe havens, essentially, if there's no other storyline going on. So just to show you guys what I did, so I actually slept in today. I was a little under the weather. By the time I got up, I took my initial short around here. So I was a couple hours late for New York. Price kind of reacted here and it was kind of stagnant. What I did was I ended up closing this trade at break even. I just wanted a little more conviction that the market was going to push down. And then here I had this reaction and price kind of moved sideways. So with gold, it has this pattern where it moves sideways and it pops. So I re-entered here, and then as soon as Asia opened and we had this liquidity wick down, you can see how we built this little trend line. As soon as price started moving down and took out the second wick, I put another position in here. I ended up riding these down to around here, which was roughly 32.68 or so. And you're probably wondering what caused this big move. I'm going to show you. So our Market Edge AI caught this, and essentially the Manhattan court said Trump can't be placing all these tariffs on everybody that he is. So overall, what we have is continued sentiment, continued selling pressure with gold. Remember, continuations work more often than reversals. So even though this pullback seems overextended, keep selling until the narrative changes. So until the narrative changes, I have no reason to try and find bottom. And just for that reason, we continue shorting and we ride the investor optimism. Now, if the storyline changes next week, we'll adapt. But as of right now, I'm still currently short on gold for the immediate term. Long term, I'm still bullish. I haven't lost that. But until I see the catalysts turn as bullish again, I'm not interested in finding bottom. Anyway, guys, I will catch you on the next update.